Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys all of the Rainbow Bouquet locations today in Heartopia and where Doris is as well. So obviously you're going to find the first bouquet outside of your house. This is where the first one is going to be. And Doris is going to be here on this hill right here on the map. And the second rainbow bouquet is also here. And then for the third rainbow bouquet, it's going to be near the lighthouse. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.